What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I got something brand new for you. Now, it's probably not what you're thinking about, but look, we're talking about an NFT marketplace. We're talking about an exchange. We're talking about a wallet. We're talking about a card, all wrapped in one. Guys, this is going to be a vital tool in my crypto journey, and I want you guys to look at it and see if it's something that could be useful to you as well. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you guys to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. I want to introduce to you all FTX US. FTX.us, guys. I don't know. Some of you may have already heard about it and just been holding out on me. Didn't tell me anything about it, but this is brand new to me and I am loving this, guys. I'm talking about, look, it's made by creators for creators. When I saw that, I was like, what exactly do they mean by that? Do you know they have an NFT marketplace here? Let me go to it. Built by creators for creators. If you go right in here, you're going to see that you can explore, collect, and mint NFTs right here on this website, guys, right here. If you were interested in purchasing some NFTs, you could do this right here. If you were interested in minting some NFTs, you could do this right here. They have a wallet so you can collect your NFTs right here, guys. This is incredible that you could do that all on this place, right? But if that was it, it would be great. You know, it would be great. But how about a platform that's very low on fees, some of the lowest fees in the industry, right? Some of the lowest fees in the industry. That's incredible as well. So I like that, right? And it has some of your most popular cryptocurrencies. Look, we got Bitcoin, you got Shiba, K-Sheep, you got YFI, I don't even know what it is, wrapped BTC, you got USDT, you got Uni, you got TRX. You got TRX on this thing. Look, you got Sushi, Solana, you got Matic, LTC, you got, look, all of this stuff. You got Ethereum, Dogecoin, so many different things here on this. Now, you could go into the markets right here. If you want to click on to the markets, you could go in and look at the markets today, right? You can see what the volume is. You can see what the price is. You see what the daily changes, all of that stuff, which is normal on an exchange. But guys, also it has a wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies, guys. You got your wallets here, right? Got your wallets here. I love this also, right? This is another great thing about this, this whole, I don't even know what to call it, right? Because it's got so much. I don't want to just call it an exchange because it's much more than just an exchange. But here's where they really sold me, right? The FTX card, guys. The FTX card is powerful, right? I want to say powerful, but I love it, right? The FTX card. Let me just explain this to you guys, right? I signed up for FTX. I signed up on the website the same day. I did my KYC verification, right? They got me approved. Then I signed up for the card, right? I did my KYC verification. I got approved all in the same day. I went out. They gave me my virtual card number. It's a virtual card. They have physical cards coming soon. Virtual card number. I added it to my Apple Pay, right? I funded my USDT account and I went and I actually paid for things the same day with my Apple Pay. Same day. I used my Apple Pay at stores I normally shop at. I went and bought some groceries. I went and got some gas. I did some of that stuff right there with this, and I used USDT. Now, some of you all are probably wondering, well, Anthony, that sounds great, but why are you so excited about that? Well, here's a couple things. We have a couple platforms that we use right now that pay us out in USD. Well, we have one that pays us out in USDT. Look, for Intelligence Prime Capital, you get paid out in USDT. Do you know you can send your funds directly over here and then you can spend it right off your card right here, same day? Look, guys, this is incredible. You can send your funds from Intelligence Prime Capital right over to FTX And you can start spending those funds the very same day using your Apple Pay. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. I love it. I love it, guys. I'm telling you, I'm excited about this card. As you could probably tell, this is pretty cool right here. But here's another thing for all our Hyperverse users out there. For Hyperverse users out there, let me tell you what I did. This is what I did. I had like $455 or something like that. Let me explain. Let me be clear. $455 of MOF, right? $455 of MOF that was on the WHO exchange. I exchanged it on the WHO exchange for USDT, and I sent it over to FTX with minimal fees. Look, this is what I want to talk about. It on the WHO exchange, it cost me about $3, right? It cost me about $3 to exchange my MOF for USDT. It cost me about $3 to do that, right? Then I took the MOF, I took the USDT and I sent it over to FTX. It cost me $1 to do that. $1. Send it over to FTX. FTX didn't charge me a fee, right? So this is pretty cool. I'm out here spending my USDT, right? My USDT on my card using Apple Pay. Guys, I just think this is phenomenal. Now, not only talk about all the other things that you have with this platform, I just believe this is great. Now, you do have to activate 2FA for security purposes, all of that type of stuff, but you definitely want to do that, right? You want to secure your account. You do have to do KYC, financial transactions, all of that type of stuff. Know your customer is important, right? They have to do that. What I mean by KYC, you got to put in your name, your address, phone number. You got to put in, you got to submit your ID, such as your passport or your driver's license or state ID or something like that. You do have to submit that, and you do have to send a selfie. Right? You do have to send a selfie. Now, I will let you know they do have a way that you can verify through Stripe, which is automated. I use that. It worked fine for me. I was verified in a few minutes, in a matter of minutes, right? So that was pretty cool for me. I verified with when I went and did and signed up for the FTX card, I verified for that. That actually did take about an hour. I don't know. It may be 30 minutes to an hour. I just know I looked at my email and it was said, oh, you're already confirmed, right? And I was able to go pull my card details, right? This is pretty cool, guys. I like this. Now, I will let you know you need to do this from your laptop, your desktop, or whatever, right? I wouldn't suggest doing the sign up and doing all this stuff from your phone. That's just me, right? I couldn't see the card option from my phone. I could see it from the desktop, but I couldn't see it from the phone. So just keep that in mind as well, guys. But like I said, so far, this is pretty good. And this is just like my initial, as I continue to go into this and do more things with this, I'm going to be excited. But here's another thing I'm excited about, guys. First of all, converting. Let me go to this screen. Converting, right? Converting allows you to instantly change one spot asset into another without having to use the trading book. You can easily convert your tokens between tokens or fiat currencies. Look, you could convert, but look, this is what's powerful about converting. There are no fees on conversions. Note that the price quoted will depend on market conditions and there is a spread, but there's no fees on conversions. No fees on conversion. I like this, guys. You can convert. Now, what I like that they said is that you can convert your tokens between tokens or fiat currencies, right? This is pretty nice, guys. I actually like this, you know, and they have a referral program. On the referral program, so if I refer this over to you, then you actually get 5% off of trades. I think it's not 5%. Is it 5%? Let me go look at it. I'm going to look at the referral program. If you do the referral program, you would get 5% of your fees back, right? You would get 5% of your fees back. So you get a discount for using it. Yes, I get paid, right? I'm going to tell you, if you use my referral code, I'm going to drop it in the description, right? I receive 30% of the fees. Same thing for you. If you refer somebody, You get 30% of the fees, but they're very minimal fees. I'm not saying you can get rich off of this, right? But I'm saying it's good that they do take in consideration that you're bringing a new customer to them. And they give the person you referred 5% off of their fees, right? This is nice right here, guys. I think this is going to be a big mainstream thing. This is my thought process on it. Hopefully you guys will see it the same way, see it as beneficial. But a lot of you all who want to stay in crypto, right? And you want to say, well, look, I want to stay in the crypto. This is a way where you could go straight from IPC, Intelligence Prime Capital. You withdraw it straight to FTX US, spend it right on your card the same day, right? Here's another way for you to, when you withdraw from the WHO exchange, if you got MOF, exchange it for USDT, send it as TRC20. Send it as TRC20. When you send it as USDT, TRC20 to FTX, then you can go ahead and use it the same day, guys. This is pretty nice. I like it. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments. If you like this, if you think this is pretty cool, especially the NFT part, especially the converting for no fees, especially all the other stuff. Look, if you like this, drop it in the comments and let me know that you think this is pretty cool and that you like this right here, right? So guys, I'm always going to try to bring you stuff that I think is valuable. Oh my God, I forgot to tell you about this. I'm sorry, this came up. I got to show you this. They also have FTX Pay, where you can receive payments. You can get paid in crypto or fiat, right? You can get paid in crypto or fiat, right? Using them as a payment processor. So if you want somebody to pay you with crypto, if you sell products, if you're a business owner and you want to get paid in crypto, you can use FTX Pay and get paid in crypto. Get paid in crypto today. What if somebody, you're selling a product or service, you're an entrepreneur, you sell a service, and they say, well, look, you can accept the payment in crypto, use this, and then you're good to go. It goes into your FTX exchange. And guys, man, I like it. I like it. I like it. I see big things for this. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think about it. My actual link for you to sign up is going to be in the description. Please use my link. It helps support the channel, helps support me. This is what I do full time. If you could, I'm going to, if you don't see it in the description, I'm going to drop this into the comments as well. That way it'll be the first pinned comment for you, so that you can see it if you want to enroll for it. There's no charge to enroll. You can go ahead and just enroll for the platform. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully this has been another helpful video for you. As always, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.